All right. Sorry, I forgot it's connected to this right now. But as you can see, boys, we blew the express. Unfortunate. We just took this on my eval. This was the trade that blew it. But this was the trade I missed out on today, boys. Coming into market open, we swept these lows, respected a 15-minute. We continued to respect this, and I waited to close. And if you guys were here to watch market open, I had to enter on this candle, which I never do, which I might start doing if I take market open trades. I don't know. But this candle closed, and this shot up like 40 points instantly. It hit my take profit, which was this high, which is, let's see, I guess 25 points. It ripped so quick though. Like there wasn't even a chance for me to enter, and you guys can see it was just a straight draw up. This 15-minute inverse, and this is where I fucked up. I shouldn't have taken it, but I let it come down and retest this fair value gap. I dropped to the 1 minute. I let it retest this, and while I was in it, I entered, but it went down so far that it ended up taking my account out. So I needed a no drawdown trade, which would have been perfect this morning at market open. But I ended up getting stopped out. I copy traded this with my eval too. That put my eval down like 160 or whatever. But then we retraced into this little baby gap, and we wicked so hard off of it. I entered long. I took most of my position off here, and then I took the other. I just followed my take profit. So I just trailed my stop loss. We took the other three on this down candle, basically. I do think it's going to go up to these highs, but I'm just trying to pass this now, the fact that we blew that. So we're up $842. Let's see. Come over here. It's another winning day for us. Doing good on this account. But it is official, boys. This is gone. The funded or whatever express is gone. But it's alright. I know I'm going to pass this one. And I kind of knew that I had a very good chance of blowing it with the size of the payout I took on that account. But you need to pay yourself out, boys. And that's what went through my mind. So I took out half my account balance. They're going to be a little drawdown. Just a few trades away from being blown. So, and that's what I get. So I think I'll do it a little differently next time. But yeah. Next time I will have a set strict model that I will follow. And I think it'll go a lot differently. So yeah. I hope you boys have a great day. I'm going to the lake today, so I got to get going. But I will see you boys tomorrow. Peace.